Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a subpage in WordPress. First, go to your dashboard from WordPress website. Next, click on New Page, then Add New. Now you can go ahead and create a new page. Put the title that you want for your subpage. Then click on Publish. After that, go to your main website and then refresh it. Now go back to your dashboard, then click Appearance. Scroll down to Menu. Right here you will see the title of the new page you just added a while ago. Check the box, then tap Add to Menu. Then right here, you can see the menu structure. Here are the page and then the subpages. When you scroll down, you will see there the new page you just added. Left click and then place it to the subpage. Finally, click on Save Menu. Now go back to your website, refresh, then you will see right there the subpage. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.